Lighting controls have evolved over many years, but as technology has advanced, so has the complexity of configuring and controlling a typical lighting solution. Imagine how much easier and more efficient every project would be with intelligent lighting fixtures and digitally connected devices designed to work seamlessly as a unified system. nLight is the single networked platform with an expansive product portfolio of both wired and wireless lighting controls that scales from simple to advanced applications, indoor to outdoor, and easily connects to other building management systems. And within the platform is a wireless solution with low-frequency technology addressing obstructions while eliminating the need to run wires, resulting in a lower overall cost of install. This allows you to not only reduce energy consumption and help achieve energy code compliance, but also enable a number of other capabilities. Let's see what's to like with nLight Air. The advanced technologies developed for nLight Air embedded controls penetrate typical obstructions in commercial buildings. So, in addition to eliminating the need to run wire, nLight Air requires fewer devices, helping to further reduce your installation time. Using Bluetooth technology, nLight Air wireless devices can be configured in minutes with our free Clarity Pro mobile app. This powerful tool not only commissions your devices, it allows you to group your spaces, apply basic control behaviors, and updates devices anytime, streamlining startup and helping you complete any renovation or new construction project quickly. What's more, you also get the largest product portfolio. nLight cost-effectively enables control of luminaires through battery or line power-operated sensors and switches, and various connected devices. Choose from a range of products to address practically any project requirements and aid in energy code compliance, including wall switches and scene controllers, occupancy and daylight sensors, power packs for luminaire and plug load control, and controls-enabled luminaires. And your portfolio gets even bigger when you consider the seamless integration with our nLight wired portfolio of products. It doesn't matter if you have a renovation or new construction project, small or large. You have all the lighting and controls devices through the nLight portfolio to achieve your project goals with confidence. And the benefits don't end there. Because technology and businesses change, building systems often need to be expanded or upgraded. nLight Air is designed to deliver a future-proof, fully networkable, all-in-one system that easily adapts and scales from one room to a whole building or to an entire campus. nLight Air can operate as a standalone solution, or simply add an ECLYPSE to extend the power of nLight to the next level of network control for both wired and wireless luminaires and devices, providing feature sets such as time-based scheduling, building management system integration, site-wide management and control, system health monitoring, and much more. Upgrading nLight Air couldn't be any easier. Using the mobile app, you can link up to 750 existing devices per ECLYPSE for a site-wide control network. Once an ECLYPSE is attached to the network, BACnet points can be shared with the HVAC system to maximize energy savings and used for system visualizations. Information from the system can be used to create valuable analytical dashboards. When considering any network solution, security is paramount for any business. nLight Air uses a 5-tiered security architecture. This architecture reflects comprehensive security specifications that integrate leading best practices to protect the entire solution, representing one of the lighting control industry's most comprehensive security architectures. With nLight, you get the advantage of a platform firmly focused on delivering sustained value to you and your business, and backed by Acuity Brands, a trusted leader in lighting and controls. For more information about nLight Air or the nLight platform, visit www.nlightcontrols.com.